Hi, this is Carrie Jordan, and I'm here to explain how to get into your first session with me for online math tutoring, and we're going to use Zoom and BitPaper. I sent you a second email that had 2 links in it, and so you'll be following those today. If you can go ahead and double click on the first link that I sent, it's to BitPaper, which is our online interactive whiteboard. It's pretty cool because it allows both of us to write on the board at the same time. It might take a minute to load, but once you get it loaded, it should look like this. Just go ahead and leave this window open for now. Now go back to the email that I sent you and double click on the second link, which is to Zoom. So if you are installing the software for the first time, you'll be prompted to download and run a Zoom US launcher.zip file. And you can simply click on the file and install the launcher. And you'll only need to do this the very first time you open Zoom. And you'll see a box that'll pop up. It says, if the host hasn't started the meeting, please wait. And I'm the host, so if I'm not there yet, just wait a minute or two until I show up for the scheduled time for our video conference. Once I've started the tutoring conference in Zoom, you'll get a box that appears that allows you to join your audio and connect your video. And to join your audio, just select the Join Audio Conference by Computer button. This window should automatically appear once you join our meeting. To connect your video, you're going to simply click on the video camera icon in the bottom left hand corner, and that will connect your video. And you should see me. We should be able to both hear each other and talk. I should be able to see you, and all should be well for proceeding with our first session. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.